What's up? It's your girl Nicole Envision, and I'm back with another Envision Builds workout. Today I went to a skate park where I utilized this ramp. A hill will do just the same for this workout, so we are going to be climbing up the hill. Squatting down will activate the glutes as you climb up. Stepping up sideways on the incline definitely gets the burn going. We're going to back pedal on down, and we did this 5 rounds the first round, 4 rounds the second round, 3 rounds the third round, 2 rounds the fourth round, and we only went up the hill 1 time the last round, which is round number 5. So please do realize you must go up the hill both ways. Starting off, I was working my left side, working my left hip abductor, and as you can see here, we switched to climbing up the hill to the right side. I believe we recorded round number 2. I don't know. You see how many times I climb up the hill. Let's get it. Let's go. This is literally the same thing on the opposite side. So after we get to the top of this one, we're gonna move on to the next exercise that we did. After I climbed the hill each side, 5 for the first round, 4 for the second round, all the way down to the ladder drill down to 1. We did another exercise, which was burpees. So what we did is went down for a push-up, came back up, landed in the squat ladder. We jumped over the rail, went back down to pulsate for 3, and went back down to that push-up. We did 10 reps after each sets of climbs. So once again, this is a wonderful ladder drill to get the heart rate up and literally get the butt activated. Going to the skate park. Man, having a skate park that's empty, this has been my best friend to literally do hit interval workouts. So here we go today, literally getting that heart rate up, elevated, and getting that butt activated. During these times, I really just needed to burn off some steam, and this is the place to zone out and just dive deep into thought. Alright, before we leave, penny for your thoughts. What do you want to see out of this channel, from this fitness channel? Drop it below. I'm here to provide what the community needs. Fit for success, together we are built for success. You're built for this. Don't get consumed with what is being fed to you. Consume yourself and what feeds you. Life.